Hello, Ma'am Grace. Say hello. Wave the camera. What are you doing? Hello, Divina. Say hello. Hello, Nonoy. Say hello. Hindi na ating put to. Nga, hindi pwede. Ah. Hindi, ito. Guys is very strict. They cannot allow the customer to bring something from outside. So we brought the rice cake and we cannot eat here, So putting, so we leave it in the car. They just want us to buy or later we will order that like that's the sandwich. Order to na yan, masina na yan. Kaunta. Okay, ako na lang ma-order dugay-dugay. Gani. Karon lang ta, kung ko taanay. Karon lang kami ma-order. Wala pa kami nagutom. You see guys, these people roaming around. It seems that don't have a COVID, right? All the people are easygoing. Going here and there. For us only Sunday. Sometimes only, but not every Sunday. You just have the relaxation for a while because it's hard up of doing a living every day, toiling and doing hard work for our survival. But today we have the time and that's why we come here to relax a little bit. You see, look at me guys. Just relax. Divina is there. Doing a relax here today, but I'm very sleepy already. Look at that in my eyes. So sleepy, but it's okay. Hello, video sila. Kasi buwak na yung vlog ko to. Agay. Sige lang. Guys, I'm going outside. I bring you there outside. The beauty of the outside cafe, okay? Ma-order, yeah? Ma-order?
Manyaga ka man?
Hindi. Hulamon ko lang ni Anay, oh. Pakita ko to sa iyo. Oo. Order ka mo, oh. We will have our order here. See guys, isa. Order naman, dara, oh. Excuse me.
Wala lang yung boss.
ABACA Cafe. That is our car, guys. Our car. Oh. A lot of motorists here. Deb. Dali di. So many people coming here. I think this is every day here. May bulang man diyaw. Baligyan lang manok nila ya.
Damo Riders.A.
Di nagigani damo oh.
Nakatatabi ka nga.
Dito. Unan pagid.
Lakat-lakat.
Ano na diyaw?
Dara o nga lang. Lakat-lakat lang.
Pero kainit ta. We'll see. What is that here? See guys, a lot of motors here. Motorcycle parking. Kuha na diya, cliff. Wala na. This is a cliff here. Mahulog ka da, be. Cliff. Wala na data. Nothing to see over there. Para sa kambutiti lang. They are still developing this building. I think they are making bigger. Because this is just put up, I think, how many years only? Haven't 1 year, I think. This is a new coffee shop here. Bibi na, why? Balik tata, kay kainit. Berti kainit. Very hot. Burns my skin. Very hot, guy. You see, guy, very hot. This is the coffee kitchen. Kitchen here. There is a roaster. There's some more. Di ata, sulod ata. Pati kainit man. It's a nice plant. Nice plant.
Ano gini niya butterfly? Ano gini nga butterfly? Ano gini butterfly?
Excuse me. Hand washing. Hand wash first. Hand wash. That is family. Order to. Mercado meals 2 to 3 person, no? 3 burgers, 1 served nachos. Ari na lang, na ini. Ari yo. Di ba? Noodles ya. Di ka magkaonoy. Ano na di pang iban or you beverages. This one to 95 lang. May 1 pitcher lemon juice, namin niya lemon juice. Aras caldo no, hindi ka magkaon. Hindi lang. Oh, this one is for lunch, right? We have already eaten our lunch. This one na. Balik na ta? Ha, mabalik na ta, Noy? Mabalik na ta pagtapos na sinika. Ano kaon na ta subong? Orderan ta ni. No? Tapos madugay-dugay mapuli balik ta eh. Ako lang. Derio. Excuse me. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. We want to order this one. Barkada meal for 2 to 3 person, okay? Anoy, panada na yun. Hello guys. That's all. Thanks for watching, and then we are already making our orders. So, thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Bye.